Yeah, we hit a snag here, unfortunately. Um, First, I set my stream for 1280 by 960, but for some reason it just set itself to 69. Why? Why is it doing that? Wait, I didn't set the resolution to 69. You know what? Fuck it. I could probably post process this. Anyways, yeah. So anyway, okay, that was very fast. So you can see right now, we are currently installing. Okay. Spots, visual design, clean look. We got some of the clouds. This is from the early builds of Windows XP under the codename Whistler. It's actually really cool. Yeah, we hit a. No, screw it. Okay, someone gave me a key. Okay, do the usual stuff I always do every time I install an operating system. Right. Um, I don't want to show the key because if I do, I'm gonna get trouble. Because Microsoft guys will probably be watching this and be like, "Oh my God, you fucking gave out the key." Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to edit this, or at least or something. I don't know. All right, there we go. All right, now I can uncensor it. Okay, okay. Delta VM. Call it Delta VM. Just simple. And this is proof. Tuesday, February 22nd, 2022. What a really special day it is. All right. Here's the typical sage. I love how the icons are not from Windows 2000. They use the icons from Windows XP. That actually makes it a lot much better. That's actually much better. They up to date. Yeah, my desktop showing. Refresh it. I don't understand. I set the stream. It's odd. I set the stream to be 4:3 and it just goes 69. Like, is YouTube only supporting 69 video? Is this what it's gonna do? Well, that's a really nice boot. Really nice screen. To improve the appearance of visual elements. Yes, of course. Go ahead. I've never seen it where it has just the blue background. Usually it's in a black background. Right? Yeah, go ahead. It's super fast. So that's in 22. Get to see the nice intro video. It's on the website, the dev's website. Bye. Ooh. Bye. Why is the audio so low? The music. Usually there's like a. There was audio in there, but we'll get into that one. Okay, next. Not right now. It's nice to have Merlin here instead of Q-Mark, but it doesn't do like the thing because yeah, we know how to install. We know how to skip this shit. No. Put my name on here. What do you? Thank you. Oh, now that sounds very familiar. Like here's some beta XP stuff. MSN Explorer. Yeah, they probably saw my MSN Explorer video. So yeah, here's the desktop. You can see here is the icons. The icon's very different. This is exactly as it was in the beta versions of Windows XP. Read me. Delta Edition for version 129 2022. Yeah, I already installed it. Mac. So let's check out what we have here. Let's go to the Windows directory. XP Delta. It's usually the same good old things. What is mute? On. Alright, let's go to the. I want to go to the System 32, the out of box experience, because I bet there's supposed to be an audio playing in there, but it got bypassed or something. Okay, intro. Oh! Let's do this first, just in case we get. Yeah, let's finish. We're not going to connect to Media Guide because that doesn't exist anymore. Okay. Oh, there's no audio in there, but it would have been nice. Back. All these images. It's actually. Oh, they still have the things here. Yeah, some Millennium stuff left over. Hey, let's see. We got back. Okay, so MSN. This is your. Oh, this is MSN 9. I thought it would be MSN Explorer 6. Right. Sadly, it isn't. And believe it or not, this is actually based on XP Service Pack 2, so that's why MSN 9's in there. You're not going to get anything much in there. I wonder if this is a Scar got patched. Yeah, it's good. Alright, let's check out his themes. We got Whistler, Watercolor. Ooh, this actually looks really nice. That's something I want to see if the things in there. No, Windows. Back. in Whistler 2110 there was a start screen that was very hidden, and there was no way to access it until it was found in the source code leak that a registry edit could activate it. Screensaver. Oh, there's Delta Edition. The logo looks a little bit bigger. Okay, flower box. Oh, the same old flower box. Flying objects. Same old flying objects as usual. Yeah. And there's some other stuff too. 3D maze. It's your old 3D maze, of course. Ooh! This is like Windows XP optimized for this screensaver. Back. That's something real cool. What else we have? Appearances, water style, with the Whistler style. This is the early Windows XP skin. And you have Windows XP style, the one that came RTM'd. You know, the Windows XP you all know and love. And the background's actually blue instead of red, which is actually pretty interesting. Oh, no, notice some color pattern changes. Like this one's orange instead of green. What else? This one's dark blue instead of green. Anything that's green just gets swapped with something else. Kind of strange. Alright, what else we got? Games. So we got some games here. Yeah, your usual things. Windows Movie Maker. Oh, this is Windows Movie Maker 2. But this is 2.1. Yeah, this is the one where... This is the version where YouTube poops were born. And where most videos in YouTube were conceived at. This is the exact version. Back. Also, we have Windows Movie Maker 1.1, the version that came with Windows XP at the time of release, RTM. It's like it's a little bit enhanced from the 1.0 from Windows Millennium. MSN is yeah, I already went through this. Well, computer. Let's see what we got. We got Delta Edition version 2022 Service Pack 3. And yes, this is the thing, AMD Ryzen 5 3600X 6-core processor, 3.8 gigahertz. It's using the actual processor and the emulated 1 gigabyte of RAM. That is awesome. What else do we have? Sample music. We don't want to open this. I could open this, but I don't know. Should we go for it? I don't know. I don't want to get copyright notice. Well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter anyways. From today. Let me open live chat. Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter. Even if it gets copyright detected, it's not going to affect how the video is going to be viewed. So, anyways, let's go for it. This is the song from RTM Windows XP. Was born. It learned how to hurt and it learned how to cry. Page ain't gonna work. New stories, Highway Blues. I'm not gonna play those because chances are the stream might crash and then just Windows Movie Maker stop file. What's this? Oh my god! This is like a high-res version of the one seen in Windows Millennium. Holy shit. The Windows Movie Maker baby. returns, but a much higher frame rate. This is actually very awesome. A little bit higher quality, higher frame rate as well. Back. I assume the baby is actually one of the Microsoft employees. Yeah. Anyways, what we have? My pictures. We got a couple pictures from early builds Windows 2000 crew. That's actually a really nice picture. Any information on this? It's still in its original beauty. Mountain Vista. Orange Canyon. I don't remember this was in XP builds. I think this one was. Sunset. That one was. Surfer. Yeah. All the wallpaper, all the pictures that we know and love from Windows XP. Anyway, let's take a look at some goodies here. Accessories. Tour Windows Whistler. We have 3 tours. This one is the prototype experimental tour using Macromedia Flash. Yeah, this is like some dev doing a practice on this. Even mentions the music courtesy. This is a link. Oh shit! And there's another one here. Windows XP Beta Tutor. This is...
Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft, the new version of Windows that brings your PC to life. Experience the best. Experience Windows XP. Safe and easy personal computing. Windows XP makes personal computing. Thanks to Windows XP, personal
Oh, this actually looks very different.
Easier and more fun.
Looks like they modified it a bit.
See for yourself how easy Windows XP is to use. Take this brief tour. Thanks to Windows XP, personal computing just got a whole lot easier, faster, and more smarter, safer. Windows XP packs the punch you need for top performance and enjoyment. You get all the power and dependability of Microsoft's most...
Oh, it mutes the audio? Is there a bug in it? Well, this
Windows
is beta 1.
XP is your ticket to exciting digital media at home and on the internet.
Is it me or does it sound like it's a bit high quality? I don't know.
Optimized for games and DVD.
Placeholder
Get
stuff.
connected. Windows XP makes it easy to share and link computers. Welcome to
for some
Windows
reason, it's actually a bit
XP from
faster in
Microsoft,
here.
the new version of Windows that brings your PC to life. Thanks to Windows XP. See for yourself how easy Windows
Oh, that thing
XP
is still in its original compressed form. Anyways, Tour Windows XP. This is the one that came in RTM. Anything on here? No, it's still the same one. It doesn't even call it Windows. They even left it Windows XP Professional. You know, Sky, you should edit the HTML document and replace this with Windows XP Delta Edition, at least. That's one thing I would appreciate you to do. Anyway.
Welcome.
This is your typical Windows XP tour. This version's from Professional and Media Center Edition, since Media Center Edition uses Professional as its base. And you know, it's your
Unlock
tour.
the exciting world. Playing music, video, built-in photo sharing, and
yeah. Okay, what else we have? We have accessories. Internet Explorer. What version is this? Oh, different. Back. This is actually a different splash screen. That's actually better. You know, I wish it looked more like this rather than using the squares that was used in IE5. At least this was much better. Or is this the later version? I don't know. Maybe this was an actual later version. But we can go to things like HTTP Razor. And yeah, you can do your typical internet browsing stuff. You're not going to get into websites like, well, you can still go Google, but it's not going to allow you to do shit. And you can't do anything because, you know, HTTPS, the most hated browser in the world, is banned from everywhere. Yeah. Click here to sign in. Give me a moment. I don't know if this has escargots, but I'm gonna try something. Back. Escargot. No, it is not escargot compatible. I know it's what's the original pronunciation? I know I spell it like I pronounce it like that. It's just more easier. You know, it would be great if you it would be great if Sky, if you would give this version an escargot patch. Oh yeah, I forgot to mute. Yeah, I put in my escargot ID. It doesn't work because it's not patched. So what did I put on here? I know this is the logo from the Whistler skin chooser. What do we got? We got the skin made by Frog Design. It's actually a really cool skin. Oh, and there's that video again. Okay, go to full screen mode. What else we got? Windows Classic, Toothy, Rusty, MIDI player. This is the MIDI player from Media Player 7. Classic from Media Player 8. Alright, let's see. Control panels. We got the Whistler icons. Use the Whistler. Let's check out sounds, because sounds are usually a good thing. Is there a Utopia on here? Because usually there's a Utopia. No, there's Utopia's on here. Although I would love there to be Utopia. Oh, that's the shutdown sound. That's actually pretty cool. And there's the startup sound. That's a pretty long log off sound. But that melody. Was it spammers? Get them out now, Jago. Tash the spam bot, block him. Yeah, sometimes yeah, sometimes they could do shit. I don't even see much spammers here, but welcome. Yeah, just ignore them. It's just a bot thing. Your typical shit here. Intercycle bin. Oh, these are from MSN Explorer. Even though they are in RTM, these originate from MSN Explorer. That's from Messenger itself. It's not in there. And I actually like these series of icons. It would be great for an alternate version of Windows XP. Menu command. Yeah, there's no menu pop-up. Well, there was a menu pop-up, but it was like a different, unfinished, random sound, like. Yeah. And speech. Do we have any speeches? Nope, just Microsoft Sam. I remember seeing this video.
Why did you hang up on me? I do not appreciate that shit.
Oh.
You better not put my ass in speaker.
Alright, let's see what we got. Accessories, system tools, welcome to Win. Oh yeah!
Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft.
This is like a thing you would
The new
see
version
in
of
Windows 2000. Oh, that's really nice. Get started. Register now. Yeah, let's register. Nah, I'm kidding. It's not gonna work. But it would have been nice if we actually registered this copy. Windows XP Delta Edition. Connect to the... What the fuck? Fuck. Alright. Mac. Windows Update. It's not gonna work because this version's not patched to go anywhere. Okay, accessories. Remote desktop connection, Tor, Windows XP, communications, accessibility, system tools. Well, pretty much the only way to go deeper is to look into the system file itself. Okay, what does says more compatibility, so it should be easier on Windows NT 3. What's D? What is this? I bet these are leftover dev files or something, or probably updates. I don't even know what this is. It's random files right here. Alright, let's go back to the local disk. Why is there a mute? Mutes the Windows sound device? Okay. Net meeting, online service. It's right in there. US only. Outlook Express. Let's see how it looks. Wow, they haven't even changed the well, it would be nice if you changed this to the, because they've been using that logo since wait, I didn't see that logo. You know, it would be nice if that logo, because it's still in its IE4, IE5 state. Okay, Windows. Let's see, we got some interesting goodies here. Web. No, actually, we could just do this. Whistler. Yeah, sure, let's go for watercolor. It's more nice and simple. Oh, by the way, my banner was actually based on this. So we got a couple wallpapers here. Ascent, all from XP. Bliss from XP. Crystal. These are from XP. I don't recall ever seeing this, and I think there's a bug within the alpha channeling of this. Peace. There will be no peace. Professional. That's the wallpaper we're on right now. Purple flower. Radiance. Red Moon Desert. I read that they probably did not like this one because the wallpaper looked like someone's ass cheek. Nice. Ripple. The Stonehenge. Actually, I like the Stonehenge. Oh, look, the picture probably just changed. By the time I applied, it just put a nice... It's kind of odd. Back. Vortex space. Wind. It's actually like... Oh! Yeah, we're not going to be able to register. This is the wallpaper. Yeah. It's actually real nice. XP 2465. This is the one you would see in it's like the basis for the box art. So Botek. Yeah, we're gonna keep it like this. And we're gonna change actually gotta change the theme to Whistler style. Okay, let's see. Switch users. Oh, look at that. Turn off computer. I don't recall there being a. I don't recall that icon being there. But that's awesome. Yeah. Well, yeah. What should we do? We should install some additional software. I do have a couple of software, but they're mostly for Windows 95, 98. So yeah, I'm gonna try something. Just give me a moment here. I'm gonna try to install a couple pieces of software just to get ready for it. And I know I may not be reading some people's comments, but let me see. We have I don't want to put Windows 11 on here. It's too new. WinNT 11. Let's just try this one, even though it's not going to work. Alright. This is the. What the fuck? I just inserted a CD. Or DVD, sorry. And. Oh no. I can go in there. Yeah, this, for those who don't know, this is the Windows 11. This is actually the leaked one that ended up getting leaked. And you can't run this shit because this is 64-bit only. But we can go into the sources. Alert. The plain background. Like, do we really need that background? We don't need that fucking background. CD. I'm gonna change different things. We could install an old version of Office. That'd be actually pretty neat. But okay. We have greetings, Microsoft Plus. Virtual machines. Let's see if the downloads. Car precision racing. I do have Explorepedia. Let's give that a shot. Hope it can run nicely. Auto run should run any moment. Are you sure? Let's see how this works. Okay, we're about to enter Explorepedia. It works. Even though I couldn't get it to run on PCM. Credit this music to Stanley Pard, who also composed the welcome music that was used in Windows XP's out-of-box experience, which actually originated from the Internet Explorer 3 Tour CD. Startup kit.
What's your name? Please type it in, then click OK.
Let's just call it Carolyn.
Little Kids Mode lets you turn off the
Explore all. We're gonna do all.
What do you
everything.
Want to do? What do you want to find?
I'm gonna find a
Which video do you want to see?
Oh my god, I just want to see some. Let's say cars. Holy shit! Stop.
Crash protection. Car makers today must be sure their cars meet all safety
You
requirements.
can print shit.
What do you want to print?
Print everything. How does it look if I print it? I don't think the print.
What do you want to print?
I don't think it works. Oh yeah, that's how you find.
What do you want to find? Type the word in here,
Let's
and I'll
see.
find it. You can find your word in any of these topics.
I still know Kung Fu. That's Keanu Reeves when he returned in Resurrections. Look at that low.
Martial arts. Before weapons like guns were available, people learned to defend themselves by using...
What do you want to copy?
No, I don't want. Go away. Find.
What do you want to find?
Who was the voice actor for Tadpole? Muppet?
Type the word in here, and I'll find it.
Genetics.
You can find your word.
Reproduction.
Genetics. Have you ever noticed that kids sometimes look like their parents? That's because certain characteristics, like eye or hair color, are handed down to children from their parents. This is called heredity. Genetics is the study of heredity.
That's actually pretty nice. Look at these animations.
Some human cells are different from the rest. These are called sex cells. In man, they are sperm cells, and in women...
Blah blah blah.
code
We already know this. If you're like me, you already know about the human production system. Let's find something.
What do you want to find?
Certain word.
Type the word in here, and I'll find it.
Let me see. What would be a good thing? Communism.
You can find your word in...
This is a radio antenna that is used to communicate with Earth.
Galileo.
Satellites. An orbit is the path of an object in... Gravity. Gravity...
What do you want to find?
Certain word.
Type
I'm
the
gonna
word in
see,
here, and I'll find it.
Soviet.
You can find your
Spies. Here we
Gary
go.
Powers was an American pilot whose U-2 reconnaissance scouting plane was shot down by Soviet soldiers in July 19...
Cold War spies. Yeah, espionage. That's the point of the Cold War. It's very cold. What is that? Feels like... Okay, let me see.
What do you want to find?
Sure, why
Which
not?
video do you want to see?
Bridges. Oh yeah, this infamous one. If a bridge is not carefully designed, it could collapse. The Tacoma Bridge never rushed to collapse. Back. No one was hurt. No human casualties, but there was a dog in there.
It could collapse. The Tacoma Narrows Bridge in Washington collapsed in 1940.
I think.
No one was hurt. The bridge was rebuilt more securely.
Okay, anything.
What do you want to find? Here they are. Which one do you want to hear?
Go back.
What do you want to find?
Okay, I'm getting a little bit annoyed with this guy's voice.
Which video do you want to see?
Although, I'll give credit for the quality. Film. Okay, that's gonna get me copyrighted. Quit. Yes, I do. Okay, let's try different. Let's try different things we have. Nope. Fuck, I accidentally disconnected thing. Okay. Anything besides Explorepedia? We have Pinball Arcade, Internet Explorer 4. I think I'm gonna end up breaking. Yeah, we could install Macromedia as well. Plex Concept. Sound Canvas. Mojo World 3. The Windows Whistler 2296 pre-installation environment. Let's go for the most common application you would install for a new copy of Windows. Your good old friend. Oh no, it's not connected. Alright. Let's install the most common application suite you'll install for Windows. Your good old friend, Microsoft Office. Shit. I don't remember the key. I was gonna type this shit in. You know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna go with that key. This is just for demonstration. Ooh, I actually love how it looks. Yeah, why not? Install now. Install. Installation progress. There you are. Wait, I want to find the Windows the Windows Media Player Tour. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Help. Tours. Oh, they organized it. Too early. We already looked at that one. Tour. That's the RTM tour.
To Windows XP from Microsoft, the new version of Windows.
You just fuck off. Okay, tour HTML tour. This is what we want. Yeah, it still looks the same. You know, it would have been nice if you put in like the one that was used in the early versions. Let's see if it's. Yeah, tour has not changed. Maybe Sky might take notes from what I do. Who knows? Right. Alright, so help and support. Windows XP. What's new in Windows XP? Windows brings new features. Blah blah blah. Yeah. These are games. Okay, Java something. You know what? Oh, I thought of something. Right. Let's get it. For some reason, Autorun's not working. Prepare VMware tools. Right. Complete. Okay, download this one. Back. I already have that. Scargot patcher. And you're experiencing some shit going on. Alright, it's finished. You must restart your system. Go ahead. Do what you do. Right. Turn up the volume a bit. There's that wonderful food screen that looks like. Oh, 6448. No, we don't want that. Back. Oh, look at those buttons. We can go all the way to that, which is basically what my RTX 3070 can handle, but we're not doing that. That is too much. Just curious, what if we do that? Whoa, that is actually too much. Oh no, actually that is my native resolution. What if we go up higher? Okay, actually. Let's do max. Okay, that is actually too much. This is unreadable. So we're just gonna go 1024 by 768. This is good. This is good for this. Even though that my or we could just do widescreen since it already fucked up my give me a moment. Yeah, sorry for the mute. My dad just came to the room. Anyways, we have Office installed here. It's gonna be trial, of course. I'm not gonna bother. Oh shit. You can't use shit. Well, that's unfortunate. So much so, yeah, I just wanted to show that you can install things. I'm gonna connect the pen drive. I'm gonna try to install other things like MSN Explorer, an old version. Connect to the virtual machine. Actually connect to the host because I want to drag files on here. I'm up in. Okay, Cassini, MSN, I do have a Japanese version, we could use that one. No, better just to put it here. But that's an old version. We're just gonna use the Japanese version because that came from a Japanese build of Windows XP. So I'm gonna put disk, Windows, no, program files. Oh, what the fuck? My Windows just crashed. My VMware just crashed. That's strange. VMware just crashed on me. Oh no, here we go. Let's fine. Alright, I'm gonna change the resolution. You know, I don't want to use this. Just put it back to where it was. Okay, wait, I dragged it and it crashed the system? That can't be true. Or I don't know. I don't know. MSN. Just this is the my this op MSN installer. What's this? It's the same shit. Back. I'm just gonna put in I'm just gonna put this directory here. And there you go. And this is the Japanese version of MSN Explorer 6.1. Right. Okay, MSN 6. And that's because the Japanese font is not present on here. So basically it's fucked. But we could, yeah, I don't have any language packs, but we can do something here. We can actually browse the web in this one. Shortcut. Userback95.com. Userback. Or I could do alt text in that. Drag it, and there you go. You're browsing in MSN Explorer. And it's wonderful. Yeah. Except this is a micro MSN Explorer. Those nice cool buttons. Yeah. And yeah, we're not gonna bother. I'm fucking... Try signing in, it's not gonna work. Anyways, yeah, let's get the Ascar, I know it's... Yeah, you're gonna be like, it's not pronounced Escargot, goddammit. Where is the downloads folder? Escargot patcher. This should work. Make sure MSN is completely closed. Back. Yeah. Patch all. Now use Escargot. Yeah. Alright. Well, I think that worked. I'm gonna I think it will just it will automatically log off itself. Just give me a moment. I don't want to show shit. It's good. What the fuck? That's strange. Right. Okay, that does not seem to work, but I will get a new version. 1.0, just like download one app. Let's get 5.0 patched because you know we need a new version. We can't afford to use this version. Bring this in. Run after install. Okay, I guess we have to do this. Let's just do that. Okay. Yes, I accept. I remember these used to come pre-patched, and it looks like you have to do it all over again. Close that one. MSN Messenger. Patch selected. Hope that worked. Alright, I'm gonna try this again. Okay, MSN Messenger 5.0. Enter the credentials. Skype. What? Oh yeah, one of my mates is actually messaging me about something. Since the Scarlet uses it, but it can't work. It can't. Oh! Oh! I remember there is something in the reg edit. You have to edit. There's something in the reg edit that has to be done in order for this to work. I remember there is something in registry editor. I don't remember what it was called. Basically, you can set. I remember I used to do this back when back when XP. Back when I did the Scargut patcher and it didn't work properly in XP, turned out I had to edit something in the registry. Yeah, I see. I don't remember what it was. Yeah, I remember now. Alright, sorry I had to cover things because we'll be like, oh my god, what do you have? Alright. We could try different software. I do have some copies of. Right. Mostly just pre-XP copies. Here's a program we should give a shot. It's a program we used to use. Total 3D Home and Landscape. Oh my god, this came in multiple discs. Installation disc 1. Installation disc 2. Installation... Oh, support files. Okay. Let's get my DVD drive ready. I bought a new DVD drive off the thrift store, so we're gonna... Okay, so we are going to take settings. We're going to use the physical drive instead. We're going to install disk 1. The CD is actually in pretty good condition. Or is it? I think it's. Yeah. I remember this was so buggy. The only entertaining part about this is the tour, the video tutorial. Anyways, let's go to my computer. It's still reading Office 10, but Office is not in there. Alright, here we go. This is a program we used to have. Total 3D Home and Landscape. I actually own a legit copy. Just to prove, I'll get the camera up and running. Your capture device. Yeah. Here is my copy. It's a real copy. And here's the discs. Disc 1's already used. There's 3 discs. 2 installation discs. 1 support disc, yeah. Proof this is actually my real copy. Let's actually just put the window a bit behind and see my boxes of shit. Alright. Installation. A Home Landscape 7. Yeah, sure, why not? What is this? 1.2 gigs. So it'll be like 1.5 gigs. Oh, 1.6 gigs, okay. Alright, install. We're gonna have to swap CDs for this. Yeah. Hello? I did get some goodies here. I got this from the thrift store. This is a Gravis gamepad. I think this was like, both of them combined were $5 total. Yeah, a Gravis gamepad. I'm going to use this exclusively for the board. It's a Windows 98 board. But it's having trouble getting post. Yeah, this feels like an SNES controller. The buttons look really good. I'm not sure what those switches are for, but it's actually pretty neat. And when I tell you, it's a MIDI joystick port, and it connects right through there. And I got this. This is a Pioneer beige DVD DVD writer drive. I got it for like, fuck, I forgot how much were those, but it was a good price. I did not test this, but should be good. Yeah, I think this would be, once I get a beige case for the Windows 98 thing, I'm gonna put this in, even though it's not really period correct, since this is from 2006, April 2006. This Pioneer drive. It would be nice if it was from 2001, because that's where most of the hardware is supposed to be at. Late 90s, early 2000s hardware. Alright, so anyways, back to the software where it's constantly installing shit. The video tutorial, that is the most entertaining portion of the okay. If I got a VGA capture device, at least if I connect it to my Elgato capture card and I streamed it from an actual system, like a period correct system. In this case, my HP OEM machine, which currently holds my web server. That would actually be a good journey. $9.38, and it's asking for CD2, CD-ROM. All right, so get that out. Put CD. Whoops. This is actually pretty decent shape. This one. Yeah, go ahead. I can hear the drive spinning. I just did. Oh shit! No, I didn't focus correctly. Fuck. I didn't. Ugh. Stupid me. Anyways, go. Wait. I swapped this. Oh no, here we go. No, I did not swap discs. Okay, I don't know why disc 3 is here. It should be right here. Back. Alright, it's installing a bunch of images. Yeah, I used to play around with the software. That was little. Back. Oh, it says smile on there. Like literally, it literally says smile on the box. Like it says. See it? It says smile. Like, why is just smile in there? Probably it's Easter egg thing. Anything at all? Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate that I set my stream to be 4:3, 1280 by 960, but I end up streaming at 69. I think that's a bug in YouTube. Anyway, nothing I can do. Right. What's this? Russia, Ukraine is a world leader. Jennifer finances. Yeah, it's fucking. Yeah, fucking drama between Ukraine and Russia. I don't usually talk about this, but Western leaders said that an invasion has started, but if the invasion were to start, then the Russians would have crossed the border by now. What is that? Yes, so this is support disk. I don't know what it says. It's probably some bots, yeah. Support files disk. Yeah, sure. Let's just do support files disk. Alright. I'm gonna go to the washroom. I'll be right back. Right back. I suppose installation's finished by now. I thought I just wait. Oh, it didn't load at all. don't think it did load. I forgot. You don't press the enter key when doing these installs. Lots of set in PNG and JPEG files. It's done. So is complete. I did check the settings before I started streaming. 1280 by 960, output 1280 by 960. And I don't know why it fucked up. I think it's a bug. I believe it's a bug in Streamlabs. Mac. Mac. Okay, designer photo. So while that waits, let's just so we got Winver. Okay, we didn't look at this. Okay, it's a little bit big. Okay, version 5.1. It still says 2001. Oh, this is Service Pack 3. Never mind. It's you know, a bit nice if you put in 22 stuff. A bit nice. Okay, what else? We should search around. Connect to search. There's still some anime. What about the animated character? There's still Rover from the goddamn. Well, this came from Bob. Some say that, oh, Clippy came from Bob. No, Clippy came from Office 97 as one of the agents. Just different anime character. Merlin. I like Merlin better. It's more elegant. Do a trick. Let's bring. Oh yeah, the thing. One of the moon. I don't know if that's was part. It was one of the beta builds. Back. Okay, program files. Well, pinball. Well, of course, it's gonna be the same game, except. What? Let's see if him test works. Oh no, Oh, here we go. But on a virtual machine, it works awful. Better to do it on the actual machine because of that. Yeah. And it's still copying. I actually like this variant of the visual style, Luna Early. And what about a choice? What about the option to change the Windows logo, like the flag, to the old flag? That would actually be pretty cool. Okay, my computer, documents, shared video, my music, my pen. Sample playlists. My playlists. My pictures. Yeah, nothing much. It's almost done. You can see here the disc turning. Back. Windows catalog, that could work. But it would be nice if it worked. I like the shadowing they got there. Notepad, paint. Anything new in paint? No, it's the same paint. That's good. Microsoft Kids. Okay. Good. Game startup. What? Let me just browse my open. We could probably get a DVD in there, and we could technically I don't know. I don't want to do that because I don't want to get copyright striked. Yeah. Okay. Photoshop. It's almost done. It's just putting the last files in there. We're gonna put a song in here. Well, it's not copyright strike, but at least it's one I like. Tart Anthem. Yeah, for why not? House, number, road, region, and oh no, we don't have to do this shit. Alright, it's finished. Alright, eject the disk because we don't need it anymore. And we're going to take a look at that program itself. Of course, if you want to make a house easily without much advanced stuff, there's a thing called The Sims. It's a really good game. Alright. Total 3D home landscape. Oh, this icon. Back. Oh, I remember. Look at these pictures of these pictures of the houses. And it actually has a bunch of pictures from there. Idea gallery. Look at that. That's a really nice house. Different pictures of different houses. Okay, open sample plan. This brings back so much good memories. Home plan. 2-story. Let's see. Dazzling home. Oh, look at that. My childhood memories have returned. This wonderful program we used to play around with. The space plan. And here's some goodies. Here, design plan. Elevation. Why is the scrolling doesn't work on here? Irrigation. Looks like the plumbing stuff. Walkthrough. This was something I really enjoyed. The walkthrough. Field of view. Let's put it right here because it's too much. And I distinctly remember the... How do you move? It's not WASD. Oh, you can actually... No, this is just the... I distinctly remember you use the mouse to navigate. I think you press shift. Yeah, you do. And I remember when you touch the walls, the Windows beep sound plays. On real hardware, it would just play like nice like... Yeah, kind of like that. And it's actually very laggy because, you know, this is a virtual machine. Yeah, this is the house as it's shown in a bare texture. Yeah. Total 3D home and landscape, bitch. You can even go on the stairs. Shit, I'm lost. Alright, hold on. Let me see. I got to the, where's the stairs? I swear, I saw some stairs around here. I saw some stairs around here. Oh, no. Okay. Okay, the stairs are right around here, so I'm just gonna put here. Alright, here's the stairs. And I remember it was actually very difficult to get on the stairs. Oh no, actually, it's actually not too difficult, actually. Hitting the walls also a chore. And auto switches. Look at that! It can't even render the entire. It can't even render the bottom. That's actually kind of sad. Let's look at some other stuff. Open sample plan. Room plans. Family room. Charming. Okay, so here's some goodies. And this one's actually furnished. And it looks like the textures are having trouble loading. But it doesn't matter because we have the models here. So we have a TV here. This looks like a TV. Yeah, I think this is a TV. I know some of you be young and be like, no, that's not what a TV fucking looks like. It's a very flat thing. Yeah, I know. TVs came in different shapes back in the day. Mostly they were mostly CRT. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I distinctly remember this. Yeah, it's this one. What's this? This is a... appliance. I don't know how to define this. Modify furniture. Okay, level. Okay, walk through. Aerial view. Oh my god, this is the entire area. Let's move this. No, actually, back terrain. And yeah, you can do shit like you can add terrain features. No, the exclamation sound. Sorry. You can even print shit on here. Oh, you can actually print it on my. Yeah, it's connected to my printer. That's actually pretty interesting. Let's see. Let's print this. See how it looks. And though it's not going to print very well. VMware Printer 101. Ain't gonna print. Yeah. Some ideas stuff. And oh no, I thought it just crashed the program. No, it didn't crash the program. If it did, then it would be disastrous because I remember this I remember this usually crash the program. Back. This I think they do still exist. I don't know. I don't think they exist. The budget planner, project total. Let's look at a sample house. Home plans. Let's go to the 2-story estate living at its finest. Let's see how much would this cost to build this. Keep in mind that things have changed, thanks to inflation, of course. Okay, go to menu. There's the video tutorial. I used to watch this all the time.
Welcome to Total 3D Home and Landscape. This introductory tutorial will give you an overview of how to use this product. Whether you are redecorating a room, remodeling your house, or updating the look of your current landscaping, this tutorial will help you get started.
I still remember some lines of this.
The main menu, which contains 9 key buttons. One for in the idea guide. Get inspired. Start your design plan. We will focus on the design center, the activity bar, the menu bar. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the menu bar displays the files.
There are some bugs in there, like
tools, activity, view, level, and help menus. Plus the save, print, undo, redo, and additional help options appear on the toolbar. At the bottom of the screen, you will find
that happens when you
views that are used in design. Now that you are familiar with the program basics, from this, if you want to make the
your plan.
You can visualize your design plan from 7 different views. The space plan, design plan, elevation, and irrigation tabs provide 2-dimensional views, while the walkthrough, aerial, and terrain tabs bring your design to life in 3 dimensions. You can navigate through your design. You can navigate with the walkthrough.
I actually like the design of the house.
With the walkthrough view displayed, select the navigator icon from the
I wonder
side
what
menu
file is
toolbar
this?
to access the view and navigate screen.
Oh, nice! I got some lighting stuff.
Click the Render Now button
Yeah,
to
you can
show
actually
the 3D
render.
rendering. It may take a few minutes to render, depending on the speed of your computer. It's picture perfect. You can truly visualize your dream home and landscape with this feature. Let's see how your design looks from above by selecting the Aerial tab for another 3D view. Select Zoom to enlarge or reduce your view.
They literally had to blow up the
get a
image.
bird's-eye view of your
This is
design.
like I think it's a Macromedia thing.
The final 3D view is the terrain view. In this view, you can add, delete, and change. Select to change the size. This total. The designer.
Yep, it's Macromedia.
Is a
Flash
collection of
6.
2,500 photographs of showcase homes and decorated rooms from award-winning interior designers and architects. You can view the latest trends in decorating ideas from fully furnished living rooms to relaxing decks and patios. You can even save and organize your favorite photos into. The step-by-step guide provides an easy-to-use reference that lists the steps needed to perform.
Billy Mays is what your mom in the shower.
The video
who's
tutorial
who's
is the
Heimlich?
presentation you are currently viewing. This concludes the tutorial for Total 3D Home and Landscape.
Oh, I think it's
For
talking about
additional
the
information,
World War
please
II.
view the
The guy from
step-by-step
World War
guide,
II.
the help system, or the user's guide that are included with the product.
Yeah, so that's the.
Additional information, please view the step-by-step guide.
Yeah, so yeah. Designer photos. Yeah, it makes it look like it crashed. Family room, yeah, kitchen, living room, miscellaneous. Why don't we look at something like this? Oh no! I remember! You're talking about the Heimlich, the ladybug, yeah. I remember I know what you're talking about. Yeah, it's one of the references to my multi-two poops. No, we're not doing that. I don't care. Just exit step. Yeah, there's a piece of music here. And yeah. Back. Yeah, that is. Yeah, I think this concludes my my Windows XP Delta Edition Beta 1 adventures. I could not get Escargot to work properly because I forgot there's a registry thing you have to edit in Windows XP. I'll probably do the same thing when I get the Windows 98 computer up and running. I have to take for diagnosis. I don't know if it's my CPU or maybe the board's bad. Maybe the CPU is bad. I don't know what it is, but. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I got a little bit confused. Yeah, I know. I kind of mixed up. Yeah, I know it's a caterpillar. Anyways, that concludes the adventures in Windows XP Delta Edition Beta 1. It's actually a pretty neat experiment. I did encounter some things that I thought would be like some didn't fit. I forgot what I said, but I'm going to look back, I guess. One thing, yeah, one of them was you should probably edit the registry files to add escargot. Yeah, I know that's not how you pronounce it properly, but it's pronounced differently. I just know. I just pronounce it as it's spelled. It's more easier. Startup. So yeah, that's pretty much that's all I pretty much know. If you're familiar with Windows XP, you pretty much know the operating system already. XP the old names like Homestead. Oh, those are the old names. Homestead, and the other one, Metallic. Nice. So yeah, that's Windows XP. I like that style. Kind of sad that there's no Utopia sound scheme, because early versions of XP had a Utopia sound scheme, but they removed it at the last versions. Windows. Oh, there's eHome. Maybe that was maybe this was built. Maybe this was from Service Pack 3. I don't know. But I could do something about it. Anyways, one stop. There's the MIDI here. Yeah, MIDI. Recycle. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much that. So anyway, yeah, this concludes our Windows XP Delta Edition Beta 1 adventures on Tuesday. It is actually 10:08 p.m. February 22nd in my region, and yeah, it is still February 22nd, 2022, and I would love to go even further, but this is as far as I can go. Even if I would love to go to 2222, which the system won't go. And I love what I see. Sorry, I'm actually a bit busy. Oh yeah. Yeah. Some user. Yeah. Yeah. I see your message is made. Yeah. Yeah. That's. Yeah. This concludes the journey. And yeah. Thank you for watching, and have a good night. Have a Tuesday.